everyone, and thanks for watching this pretty legendary video. As a director, now is the time where I have to do performance evaluations for my team. And so sometimes those conversations can be really tough because people want to know what they can do to improve their performance, what they could have done better. And so I try to give them information and feedback that can help them be successful. But I often get the question, how can I grow in this organization? How can I be recognized as a leader in this organization? And what I tell them is, in order for you to be successful, you really have to find the intersection of your talents and the company's needs and what the company is valuing at this particular point in time. And so with that, I wanted to give you my 5 ways that you can add value in your workplace in today's video. Stay tuned. Number 1, the first thing you can do to try to add value to your organization or workplace is to clarify your unique set of skills. All of us have things that we are really good at, which I like to call our strengths. And so whether that be problem solving, streamlining a process, galvanizing a team, there is something that you are uniquely good at and that you can do best to add value to your organization. And so if you have not discovered what your unique skill set is yet, there are several different types of assessments that are out there that can help you with this process. There's StrengthsFinder, there's Career Match, and there's a new one that I just recently heard about, which is called Johnson O'Connor. And all of these assessments are just different ways of assessing how you work best, which environments help you to thrive, what your strengths are. So you can take a look at those after this video, but those are some of the things that can help get you to a point where you realize and you recognize what your strengths are, what your unique skill set is, and how you as a person can best add value to your organization. In StrengthsFinder, my top 5 strengths are achiever, responsibility, relator, learner, and individualization. I'll get that right. But so that particular assessment has helped me to understand best what my strengths are and how I can add value to my organization. Number 2, figure out what your company's priorities are right now, what their current priorities are. Yes, your company has a mission that is overarching and that is never changing, but there are also initiatives or priorities that can change given what your company is trying to achieve at a given point in time. So value is anything that increases the chances that another person will achieve what he or she wants to achieve. And so in this case of your organization, you really need to find out what your organization wants to achieve now and add value in that way. What you can do is bring whatever your strengths are, whatever your unique set of skills are to this key priority for your organization, and that will really add value for you and for the company at this time. It will set you apart as a leader. It will set you apart as someone who is contributing to the team in a meaningful way. So really try to dig down deep and figure out what your company's priorities are right now in this given point in time. The key is to find out what your company wants to achieve and to help them do it. Number 3 way to add value to your company is to take on or create an initiative or project that addresses one of your company's priority areas. And so we talked about, identifying what your strengths are, identifying what your company wants to achieve, and now this is taking it a step further to really creating a project or an initiative that addresses that need, that helps them get closer to their end goal with this priority area. So that could be pulling together a team to pull together data and gather insights on something that is directly related to the priority area that your company has established, or that could be galvanizing a team around an initiative that is going to help move this priority area further along. This could also look like you pulling together a presentation for perhaps your leader or another team member that is going to better explain to your customers how this priority area is going to add value to them. So there are a number of ways that you can take on a project or create a project for yourself that will help your company get to the next goal. what this really looks like and how this really sets you apart is because you are taking initiative. You are taking an initiative to say, I see what you want to achieve. I know that this is a priority area for you. I want to add value to that. I want to help you get there. And so I'm going to take the initiative to present this project, to come up with this idea, to help you take a step further toward achieving your goal. And that really helps for you to add value to your company. The fourth way for you to add value to your company is for you to make a process more efficient. Companies are constantly trying to figure out how to do more with less. And us as employees can sometimes say, well, you know, I need more resources, I need more of this to do that. But if you can figure out how to make a process more efficient for their priority area, this will add tremendous value to your company. They will see that you are really trying to utilize resources wisely, that you have taken all of the inputs into account, and that you have devised a way to streamline a process that will help get you closer to the goal, either faster, more efficiently, in a manner that will basically help the company spend less money, less time to get to their end goal. And this will add tremendous value to your company. And the number 5 way for you to add value to your company is to utilize data to draw insights to make whatever priority the company wants to achieve more successful. So data is really a way to drive initiatives nowadays. It's really the way that companies use to determine if an initiative is successful, if a goal is worth chasing, if something is even worth doing. And so if you can collect data and then not only collect that data, but also draw insights based on that data, so you can present, these are the numbers that I've received and that I was able to pull for X customer base. And based on these numbers, what I am able to devise is that this customer base likes to do X. And so if this customer base likes to do X, I believe that our priority area will be successful because we are addressing X and Y, which our customers might not necessarily know that they want yet. Does that make sense? So if you're able to draw data, to collect data, and to draw insights out of that data, and present that to the leaders at your company in a way that they're able to understand how you're able to get there and to see, hey, this really adds value to our priority area, you will be adding value to your company. Okay, so let's recap. The number 1 way that you can add value to your company is to clarify what your individual strengths are. Number 2 is to figure out exactly what the priority areas are for your company and what they want to achieve at this given point in time. Number 3, take on or create a project that uses your individual skills to address one of the priority areas of your company. Number 4, make a process more efficient for one of the priority areas of your company. And number 5, utilize data to draw insights to make a priority area more successful. These are my 5 ways that you can add value at your company or workplace. What are some ways that you think that you can add value to your company or workplace? Leave your comments down below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear them. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, you are already pretty legendary. Have a good day.